I'm Savannah with Home and Rehab. I'm a physical therapist assistant. I'm here today to talk about back pain. Sometimes we have back pain and we want to kind of know how to get rid of it at home. So I'm going to show you 2 stretches on how we can do that. First one is going to be called lower trunk rotation. We're going to lay on our back, knees bent, and we're going to go side to side. You can hold it a couple seconds on each side. This is really going to target that low back, kind of get it loosened up a little bit. And then the second one, we're going to bring knees to chest. Hold it 20 to 30 seconds. We can do this 2 or 3 times. And switch. I'm going to stretch out all those hips, some hamstrings. Get you feeling good. All right. Thank you so much. I hope this helps a little bit.